Indoda Haikali. The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or the listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Yes, welcome to Indoda Haikali. Njoba Gulesibili. Thank you so much for tuning in. It is a Tuesday. We're joined by mental health practitioner and cultural historian Ndaba Miyaza. Good afternoon, Miyaza. How are you doing?
Good afternoon, Nyambosa. How do you do, my brother?
We are very well. Thank you so much.
It's been long. No, I'm wholly sinless and egoless, brother, me.
Yes, sir. Good to hear your voice. It's good to have you. We are still in the month where we're doing a lot of mental health awareness stuff. For my daughter, and we are talking about a subject namhlanje of just understanding his self-value. Realistically speaking, we assess his self-value.
Is self-value. It's an internal sense of worth, independent of external validation and external glorification by other people. That is where you develop competence zokuzinakekela. We are living in a mad world where women want to be paid for being in a relationship. We are living in a space where if you choose to stand up for your own masculinity, you are demanding princess treatment. So to protect men from chasing women that don't want them. You see, a man will go where he's celebrated, not where he's tolerated. So, ukuzoncenga bafowethu ukuthi bafowethu ake sibe nje manje. Umuntu esifazane engakufuni, get away from her.
Accept it.
Yeah. And ube quick uku-accept lokho. We need to teach our women lessons of life. We have spoiled them, they've abused us. Courtesy of feminism, social media, and clubbing against us. Was a group of women who are anti-men, but who are exposed to podcasts and other platforms where they attack men relentlessly. And I'm going to say something here, which collectively, around the world, the esteem of men has been battered. As a result, now, we need men who are not going to waste time challenging women. Because when you start challenging women, you're wasting your time. Instead of us challenging men, let's look into ourselves.
And better ourselves.
As men. What can prevent a man from oscillating towards mental health? It's self-care, self-talk and self-compassion, avoiding self-judgment, and keeping away from clubs that combine men in vanity. And look at the quality of men that you associate with. Kaya, the thing is with men, we are born of women.
Yeah.
So there's always a natural tendency to gravitate towards them.
Women, yes.
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
But umusukubheka okuningi caused neediness, which is why abafana bethu abancane who did not get attention, affection, and love from their mothers, they tend to gravitate towards old women.
Because they get that motherly love.
Yeah, but vice
versa also?
And vice versa.
Okay.
Yeah. That's why when I'm they are looking for a further attention and further admiration.
I think we're at an era where personally looking at also my surroundings, where we are having these conversations as a machit. So basically we're building our self-esteem, we're building our mental state, and we're talking about how we should value ourselves. This is part of grand. But I've realized that now there's a trend. Amantombazane la abiza abafana ba uhlobo kanje ngo bathi bafuna princess treatment. What is that? What does that mean?
They're weakening the masculine strength of men by labeling them, instead of praising men that are doing a meaningful and a very important job in improving the quality of masculinity and quality of men. So we have a situation now where if you do the right thing, you are undesirable. But if you value yourself, they don't want you. But if you're a wishy-washy man, they'll find even very strange term like a metrosexual man. A very strange term. I don't know what a metrosexual man is.
What
But
is vele?
What yini vele yona nesilwane sinness? But I'm talking about a man here who's upright, who has morality, ongahambi zala. Here are things engicela ukuthi amadoda zenze. Let's stipulate them. Yazi, first thing bafowethu asiyeke ukupha amantombazana imali. I'll tell you why ngisho njalo. Umupha abantu besifazana imali kuba nama expectations. Honestly, only offer financial assistance if you have expectations.
If when you expect something in return.
Yeah.
Okay.
Offer only financial help kumuntu wesifazane if you have no expectations.
And the entitlement?
That's another problem because fathers destroy a female entitlement. Khona abantu besifazane abazofunda self-worth yabo. Number 2, Khaya, akesifundise abantwana bethu abasebenza ukuthi noma bekuthiwa ku-eli kanjani in your job, write a will. Ngoba uningane eziwu4 ngaphandle.
Yeah.
Write a will. Uhlukanisa uthi 3% ayabonga, 3% umtho, 3% usipha, 3% udadewabo untomba, and 3% lo hleli naye nonina.
Hleli kamnandi nondaba emiyeza right here on Indoda Ayikhali. It's all about self-value. That's what we're speaking about.
Indoda Ayikhali on the Midday Connection.
And namhlanje sithinta nge-self-value. Men today are very cautious about themselves and they value themselves and also take necessary precautions to make sure ukuthi bayayivaluisha. It's rubbed off badly. Some take well, some don't take well abantu besifazane to these type of men.
Thank you, my brother. You know why?
Yeah.
Angithi siya kwi-GBV.
Yeah.
Uma mina nginikaza intombi yami imali ibisingenzela into inappropriate.
Yeah.
Bese ngiphakamisa isandla. What was the initial intention? So awubone ngani ukuthi nako lokunikeza imali ukuba i-ATM unawo umthelela kwi-GBV, but nobody speaks about it. Kusetha negative expectations.
Yes,
Usafana sibuyele emuva. There is something called horizontal morality and vertical morality.
Yeah.
Sizoyichaza ngolisuku not today. Horizontal morality and vertical morality. Kumanje nje thina sikhokhiswa inkomo kabani kama. Maglotsholwa ngentombi engeseyona ini
intombi nto.
So leyo nto it constantly ngeke bafethu ngitshela ukuthi ayikhozeli resentment ngaphakathi,
especially when you know it's not true.
When you know ukuthi ekwalimaza omnye umuntu nesengizothatha over la kwalimaza omnye umuntu.
And mhlawumbe ungakwenza ngokuvala ihlazo but ilemaza wena ekugcineni.
Asithi ke uma sizokhokha asithi either inkomo yokuvala ihlazo noma imbuzi, kodwa singake sisho ukuthi umqhoyiso.
Akube imbuzi ngeke. We can't value it inkomo.
Angithi manje sizakha la sibuyele emuva umkhayana nawe Sonic. Sakha ubudlelwane obuneqiniso, obune purity, nobuzokwazi ukuthi ubu-eliminate lokugadla okwenzeka emphefumulweni. Sigcine sesibeka izandla sesithukane sekukubi. Ama-relationships anjani namhlanje a-enda acrimonious kanje. A-enda ngenhlamba, enda sekukubi kuze kuphakamiselwa nekhali at some stage. Therefore, aggressively and radically asibuyele eqinisweni, which will be our vertical morality.
Wayishaya indaba. But ke ngifuna ukusibuyiseke thina ke my surroundings umfoka Nyambosa, we speak a lot about these things. We also relate in many levels. Family wise, it's no man no baba, they still present it together. Now we're raising children.
Yes, the boy child.
Bona sibabheka kanjani when it comes to teaching them self-value and also self-esteem?
Another Emmy Award for you, Sonic. Angithi as a self-value father, you'll practice uprightness. You'll learn a way of talking to your son. You'll initiate him to culture yagini usikompilo lo kamalwane no la Nyambosa. So ingane ifunda ngani nge-learning experience. He's experiencing you. You don't shout to your child. The danger of shouting to your son, how does he process this? Uyacabanga ukuthi umthandi. Uyacabanga ukuthi umfundi. Ukushawuta ingane yakho noma udinwe kangakanani, ingane, that's how they process this. Bacabanga ukuthi awusabafuni. Na uma ubaba noma usudinwe kanjani but okwazi i-composure. We are
blessed.
We are blessed because uzoproduce indodana ehlonipha kanjani. Uyazi iyokushoka even ize kuwena egarage ithi baba ngonile, I'm so sorry. Icebe yona. Ebesithi awumfana ngiyabonga yazi kade ngiphatheka ukuthi awu kanti wena ukwaboni namaphutha akho now sengiyabona ukuthi ngizele indoda. That validation yilena ke zo create a self worth in men. Into esiyidingayo engokuze uyithole outside mental health i resilience. So a self-value man will be very resilient through his self-worth yakhe. Hayi ukuzigqatsha, ukuzethemba, ukuzamukela, self-acceptance. So umuzethemba, i-resilience yakho inyuka by 80% in terms of emotional greed and psychological greed. So lo muntu engaze committee lokuza ini i-suicide. Ngiyakaze siphakamisa isandla. You know, we have a situation ukuthi athi umuntu yazi bamiyaza ngine challenge ngibamba umama wasekhaya ukuthi uyachita, and apparently this is the second boyfriend in the 20 years that we are. So instead of asking ngibanga umsindo, you decide ukuthi I'm quitting the relationship. But things we quit us silently, yeah. Emotional withdrawal, sexual withdrawal, and financial withdrawal. Uzoyithulela nje. Up until he calls in a family meeting.
But kuthiwa lokho ku wrong nje ukughosta.
No, akuwrong. What is better than imbazo nesipam?
Ukuthula.
Thank you.
Kunokuthula.
Akhona ingoma engangicula ngo1961 ithi silence is golden.
Oh Nkosi yami. Mina kunamagama engafundiswa uMasithole athi isilungu esihle ukuthula isilungu esihle.
Nokuthula isilungu esihle. Silence is criticized at certain quarters, but it brings a lot of peace.
Miyaza manje
akadile ne challenge yakho hayi nawe.
Manje umuntu uyirebuilda kanjani ke lo self worth? Asihlambe silemele uyayibona mhlawumbe ukuthi khona la khambe washayeka khona ngezimo mhlawumbe kuma relationships ngendlela mhlawumbe okhuliswe ngayo mhlawumbe nangamaphuzu mhlawumbe osuwenzile indlela oyibuka ngayo. How do you rebuild self worth yakho?
Uyazi ukuthi ufunda ngezinto ezu3 ekhaya. When you come under adversities, phecelezi ikhathe inzima, you develop positive outlook and look for a lesson in the tragedy that has happened. You don't blame anybody, but you take responsibility for what has happened. You know, and those are critical for the development of a healthy mental health. Healthy mental health. That's very interesting.
How can we not confuse arrogance and a harsh person if a person obviously value themselves and the esteem is high up there?
You see, khona ngiyithanda high self-esteem.
Yeah.
Ihambisana nama-boundaries, ihambisana ne-vulnerability, and ihambisana with a high level of observation. Whereas the arrogance is a self-defense mechanism which comes from a low self-esteem. That's the difference. Ukuhlala ufuna unama-opinions. Ugqoka amagama abantu emzimbeni when you have got your own name and identity. Ukuza wamukeleke emphakathini uhlonishwe kufanele ugqoke ibhalance yakhe. I'm not implying people must not wear this fashion, but ngiyekithi mina it's pathetic when a man is chasing young women in fashion and expensive alcohol kodwa behlala ku forum umphetho wakhe izihlepe ingane engakhokheliwe esikoleni. Ngoba kwabona ungayikhokheli ingane esikoleni usebenza and affording kumina it's a red flag for you as a man.
If I can't bash Undabe, because Undabe will say place in high regard, obviously I'm going to go to Ukai and bash Undabe go Ukai. That's what we face within relationships. Now, usazohamba ma surroundings akhe bash. How do you come around that?
Now that's interesting. Ukumbule the rule of love, rule of self-love.
Yeah.
Uma umuntu ehambe khuluma ngawe kubantu, he's seeing news into angayithandi again. Uma umuntu ehambe ekhuluma ngawe kubantu usuke ebona izinto kuwena angayithandi again. So what better way than ukuthi ahambe attack ekubasha? And you know, I normally see guys at as I've got a problem. We are 5, a group of attorneys.
Yeah.
We are doing so well. We know how to separate jobs and we know how to come together and create massive income for the organization. But it's literally we pickle uyasixabanisa, you know that. Ucabanga ukuthi wazi kakhulu kunathi. Bese ngithi mina okay, don't gang against him.
Yeah.
Createani ama principles enkampanini azom expose azibone yena ukuthi he's a
right.
in the organization.
Bafethu kakhulu makushona ilanga. Fanele sigoqe.
Hayi sesigoqile.
Athina okugcina ndabe.
Awugcina, men, love thyself. Remember, you are the only specimen that is under threat of extinction. Ake ngiphinde man. Men are under extinction. Try to save men. You actually save the rhino. Save the leopard. I want to tell you something shocking. Save men. Honestly, compared.
Save man.
Save men. You know, and abantu besone bayekele arrogance abo ukuthi amadoda amaningi out there. You wouldn't be fighting for so many men. Ukhumbule something. Underneath any man who's struggling with himself, he has a wife and a woman he loves more than his wife.
Hayi, ngiyayibonga mina le conversation. Sesifundile nanokuthi abantu besifazana bayiyeke lento yokuthi umjida uma se understand the value yakhe ukuthi ufuna iprincess treatment.
No. It's a misguided statement.
Siyabonga kakhulu. Mfowanyambosi, your interview yesterday was very powerful, my brother.
Thank you, brother.
The views and opinions expressed in this feature are those of the guest or listener and do not reflect the views of Gagasi FM.
Gagasi FM.